Alright, thought I would try outside. It's nice, it's beautiful out here in Myrtle Beach. And so I thought I would film outside today, try to speak up a little bit. I don't have a microphone yet, so if I continue to do more of these, I will work on getting a microphone. But just a really short video this last time I reviewed or unboxed the newer TP30 tripod, which I have here with me. I do love the tripod. In the unboxing, I was having some issues trying to get a few things attached, getting my camera attached with the heads that I had. I figured out that part of the issue was the L bracket that I used was just too wide for this particular tripod head. And I'd been wanting to replace my L bracket for a while anyway, and one of the things I've seen recently was the Silence Corner Atoll rotating bracket. I think that's what it's called. I will try to remember to put links on the YouTube video to it this next time. But so I did order that since I needed a new one anyway, since my L bracket wouldn't fit, and that's what I just recently got. Last time, this isn't any kind of paid or sponsored video. I just find it fun to show people gear. I know when I look for new gear, I try to find what's out there. I try to see what reviews and unboxings there are and get a good idea of what I'm ordering. So I thought I would start to do that occasionally when I get new gear as well. That way, if you're looking for something, hopefully this helps you out. There's a few videos on this one. The tripod, there was literally no videos. I still haven't seen anything. And I will do a review video on that shortly, especially if you all want. But so far I really like it. I've put the attachments on, it's worked much better than the issue I was having when I did the unboxing. But this particular one, there's quite a few. So just like last time, this is literally the first time that I'm unboxing it. I got it today. I haven't looked yet. I haven't opened it up. So you're seeing it firsthand with me. So there is a, looks like it comes with the user manual right on top and something to help you calibrate leveling the camera inside the mounting system. And so in the box this is the Silence Corner Atoll, and I ordered the C. I have a Canon camera. I believe they make these for Sony, Nikon, and I'm not sure what other brands. But this is for the Canon. So let's try it out and see. It does come with some Allen wrenches. I believe these were in the user manual for the leveling assistance. So we'll see how that works. Just a quick test before I even have the camera on. Just make sure and see. Okay, it does seem to fit on the TP Newer 360 snug. It's close. It's a close call. It doesn't go as deep as I would like it to. I'll show you what I mean. So if you can see the back there, make sure I don't have it on backwards. I suppose that I could mount a quick release plate here as well. Or, let's see. Or it mounts this way. So this is unboxing, this isn't a review. I haven't read the instruction manual. Like I said, you're seeing that first time what I am. Took a minute to figure out, but I got it attached. And then I'm gonna show you some close-ups, because once I got attached, I was sitting here going, this makes no sense, or the instructions are very, very, very basic. They really don't tell you really much at all. And so I was kind of looking at it going, I don't see how this thing works, but it actually works really awesome. So I'm gonna take the camera down, but just while I still have you out there, I'll show you a quick demonstration, then I'll pull the camera down to show you a closer up view of actually what's happening inside this. But essentially, so what I did was I have one of the quick release plates that I did attach to the bottom of the atoll. I don't know why it's called that, but the bottom of the atoll. And so the quick release is what's holding the camera up. You mount the atoll to the bottom of the camera, and then the quick release, that's not what is connected to the tripod. So then the atoll itself, it looks like it has two different mounting brackets. So the one in front that's connected to the circular ring is what connects to your tripod, or what I connected to the quick release plate, which is now connected to the tripod. So here's the really cool thing. On an L bracket, what I had before was I had basically a bracket that went connected to the bottom of the camera, went here, just in case you don't know, went here. And so when I was taking pictures, if I wanted to be taking a landscape picture and I wanted to turn it to horizontal, I would unscrew it from the tripod, rotate the camera, put it back on, screw it in. Not a hard process, still way better than without the L bracket. I love having an L bracket. But here's the cool thing with this. So here I loosen this up a little bit, and I simply rotate and lock it in. And then I just loosen it back up, rotate, lock it in. That is so much easier even than the L bracket. And it works so much like the collars. And so that's the nice thing, is I believe I'll be able to keep this attached, really, because most of the time with my Canon, I'm shooting with the, I still have the adapter attached. And so the adapter really sticks out. So any of my other lenses that I use the adapter on fit below this ring. And then honestly, this is really the primary one that I use. My 70-200 has a collar ring already. My 150-600 has a lens collar already. So this makes any really smaller lens that is not using that have that. And again, just to show you, and that's how simple that is. I love that functionality. So I'm going to show you a close-up view here so you can see what's going on, because it does kind of, it messed with my head a little bit as far as I was looking at it going, this doesn't make any sense, until I kind of figured out what it was doing. So if you'll notice, the ring itself doesn't actually touch the lens, and that's the part I was confused about. I was going, okay, well, if you're not touching the lens, then how does this work? So here is where it is attached. Let's see if we can make it call it is attached to the camera, and then this is the front of the atoll that comes down, and this is the quick release plate that came with the, not touching it, this is the quick release plate that came with the tripod, with the newer TP30 tripod, one of the quick release plates. It's kind of a cool 360 plate that rotates. So the atoll, the front part, which is connected to the ring, is what connects to the camera. And then, so the camera, it's just mounted here. This is here just for the rotation purposes. It's not touching your lens. And so right now it's tight. If I rotate this, screw it, just loosen it up a little bit, boom, we're there. And you feel it you feel it lock into place where it's at, so you don't have an issue, and then back down. So really, actually very excited to use this. So that's my quick unboxing. That's my quick unboxing and review of the atoll, or the Silence Corner Atoll rotating collar for your camera. Like I said, I'll try to put the Amazon link below. I have the C. I don't know if they did C for Canon. I don't think the other ones are named by the first part of their the letter of the company. But yeah, very excited to use this. I'm excited to have this versus the L bracket. I think this is going to be great. There's some adjustments I'm still going to have to figure out a little bit. As you can see, this is my strap I use. This does not connect, so I'm going to have to figure out some things still a little bit. Configuration with the tripod, with the atoll. Still working on some things to figure out overall use, but I'm excited about this. This was it worked a lot better than I even thought it would.